In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up columns auto-link for Monday.com. This process will help you efficiently connect different boards and streamline information sharing across your projects. Let's get started. Begin by visiting the Monday.com website. Once you're there, locate the login button on the homepage, click on it, and you'll be redirected to the login page. To make things easier, you have the option to click on Google to sign in using your Google account. Select your Google account from the list, and you'll be logged into your Monday.com workspace. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your desired board. You can do this by clicking on the board's name located in the left panel of your dashboard. Remember, it's important to ensure you are viewing this in dashboard view to get a comprehensive overview of your projects and all connected boards. Inside your board, you should see a table or group of columns. To add a new column, look for the plus icon, usually found towards the top of your table. Go ahead and click on that icon to start the process of adding a new column. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see the Connect Boards option. Clicking this link will allow you to merge data seamlessly across different boards. When prompted, select the Select Boards option. This step will enable you to specify which board you'd like to connect. From here, choose the board whose data you wish to mirror. This selection essentially tells Monday.com that you want to display information from one board onto another. With your board selected, you're ready for the next critical step. Click on Create a Two-Way Connection. This setup enables both boards to reflect each other's updates, ensuring data is consistently matched and synchronized across boards. Once the two-way connection is established, click on the Connect Boards button again. This second click reinforces the connection between your selected boards. Now you'll have the option to create a mirror column. Clicking this option will formally create a column where your mirrored data will appear. Finally, you have the power to customize your mirrored data. Choose which specific data points you want to reflect from the board you've just selected. This step allows you to tailor the information flow to suit your specific needs, ensuring that only the most relevant data is mirrored across your boards. And that's it. You've successfully set up columns auto-link on Monday.com. Now, your projects can benefit from the efficient flow of information, keeping all your team members on the same page at every step of your project management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps enhance your productivity with Monday.com.